Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to AI Hack Lab. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, step-by-step strategy for AI tech. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, I've got a simple strategy to help you unlock the full potential of AI tech. Let's jump right in. First up, step 1. Understanding the basics. Before you can run, you've got to learn to walk, right? So, start with the fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with key AI concepts like machine learning, neural networks, and datasets. There are tons of free resources out there like Coursera and YouTube tutorials. Dive in and get your foundation solid. Next, step 2, choose your tools. AI development needs the right software and hardware, and there are many options to choose from. For programming, Python is your best friend. It's versatile, powerful, and has a massive library of AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. For hardware, you'll want a machine with a good GPU to handle the intensive tasks. Moving on to step 3, practice, practice, practice. The best way to learn is by doing. Start building small projects like creating a basic chatbot or image recognition tool. Experiment with different algorithms and techniques. Join coding communities like GitHub or Kaggle to find open source projects and competitions. The more you practice, the better you'll get. And finally, step 4, stay updated and network. AI is a rapidly evolving field, so you need to keep up with the latest trends and advancements. Follow AI news, read research papers, and attend webinars and conferences. Networking is also crucial. Connect with other AI enthusiasts and professionals on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Share your projects and get feedback. Collaboration can open doors to new opportunities and ideas. There you have it, folks. A simple step-by-step strategy to get started with AI tech. Remember, the key is to stay curious, keep learning, and never be afraid to experiment. Thanks for tuning in to AI Hack Lab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. See you next time.